Hey guys, it's Roxanne, the spooky cat lady of dark whimsical art, and today I've got the July Japan crate. All right, let's take a look inside. So we got Kit Kats. I think they always include Kit Kats, and they did an apple one and another one just recently, and this one is Shinju apple, so it's a specific flavor of apple. Sounds good. And here is the actual menu guide. I don't know. Here you go. You can take a quick look at that if you like. And the yummy wormies. These are very good. I always like these. This is a flavor I don't think I've had before. I wonder if there'll be these star-shaped ones in there too. And these are seaweed flavored chips. I think the last ones had seaweed flavored or something very similar, maybe. And this, we got Pringles, but we have shoyu soy sauce flavored ramen Pringles. They really need to bring that here. I think they would be popular. Popular. This is an energy drink, which means my husband will probably be drinking it because I'm not a fan of energy drinks. And these are always my favorite. I'm always happy when these are in here. These are mochi, and this one is like a chocolate banana flavor. So, yummy. We got umaibo, which I've never seen this umaibo before. It might be tonkatsu? I don't know. Guess we'll find out. And these are macaroon candies. Looks good. We got these gummies. It looks like a kiwi, but I don't think that's what that is. Maybe it is. Kiwi flavored gummies, maybe? I'll put some stuff back in. These are like lollipops, and there's sugar in there, and you dip it in, it covers it in sugar. Very bad for you, but good. And these have been in before. They're usually sour, a sour gummy kind of thing, kind of like a fruit roll-up. We got our gum, which has an interesting anime on it for today. We got some Hello Kitty marshmallow full of chocolate. Always tasty. Maybe I'll let my husband eat one. And this is lemon flavored. It's like a hard candy. This is chocolate thunder, which is my husband's favorite. So you want to get brownie points with him? Send him one of these. These are grape. I would guess gummu. Yeah, gummu. That's gum. And got a candy ring, kind of like what we would get here, and it's cola flavored. Cool. And then we have the DIY kit where we make our own, looks like rainbow gummies. So that should be fun. I'm only probably gonna try one or two of these things. I might try these macaroons and the drink. And that's probably all I'm gonna try for this one because I am still dieting and I've been doing terrible last week since we came back from vacation. I just can't seem to let go of vacation time. I'll keep trying. I wasn't planning to try anything out of this box just because the diet and it's dinner time soon, but I am going to try two things. So we'll do the drink first, and then I'll probably give it over to my husband. He's not gonna like it. Here we go. This one's actually okay. It tastes like bubblegum, but then it has some kind of weird medicine aftertaste, like a cough drop. It's different. But not horrible. Alright, and we'll do a macaroon. It smells like a peanut butter cookie. Yep. It tastes like a peanut butter cookie too. It's good. So I hope you enjoyed what was inside the July Japan crate. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.